This video is about the trade entries, exits, and the logic behind taking the trade. How much I have got as an option seller on yesterday. What is the exact reason to enter the markets and where I have entered? Everything will be discussed in this video, and I would like to show you how much I have made on from December 1st to December 8th, which is 1 week. And as an option seller, making 1% every week is a good amount from the markets. It is the benchmark amount. If you are someone who is option seller and making 1% every week, congratulations, you are in the right path. Even though it is a small amount or a big amount, I don't care about this. I only care about the process of making money from the markets. The money from the market should be making money from the market should be high and the losses should be low. This is how you have to do the trade. So let's continue. I'm going to explain the logic behind taking the trade and how much I have got on 8th December as well as from 1st December to 8th December. Okay, let's go here. See, this is the place where I have entered in the market. See in this 10:30 candle and why I have entered. The reason behind entering the trade is this. The first one is IBH. Do you know IBH? This is the initial balance high a strategy and plus according with that I'm taking the trade with R2. Why I'm going to tell it to you. And another one is these are the two things I have implemented the trade, and let's see why I have entered at this criteria, this candle. Okay, see here. What is IBH here? IBH in the sense you have to mark the first 1 hour high and low. For example, this is the low of the first 5-minute candle, right? You have to mark the first 1 hour which is at 10:15, right? From 9:15 to 10:15, it would made a high. Okay, so see here what is the candle you have to, yeah. This is the 10:10 candle which starts at 10:10 and closes at 10:15, right? So this is the 1 hour's first 1 hour's high. This is the high and low. Okay. So the trade idea starts here. See here, this is the high, this is the low. Actually, at this high, there is a bearish pressure here. That means the bearish few traders have present at this area, and this particular area become the initial balance high later. So when the price comes here, there are going to be a downtrend from initial balance, downtrend, not bearish view from initial balance high and initial balance low. Okay. So see here, this is a big breakout candle. So I could not take the trade with such big stop loss. There are many chances to trigger your stop loss even though your direction is right. So what I have done here is I wanted to take the trade here, but with some discount. Why? Because I have to stay in the markets because of the option seller thing. If I'm entering somewhere here, if it stays sideways also, I could have some theta decay. Is going in my direction also, it is having some theta decay, and it is slightly going against me also, I could have some theta. So this is the view. I have entered the markets here, and see at this candle 10:30 candle, and I have entered the markets. Why 10:30 candle? Why not any other candle? So see here, this is the initial balance high and low I have marked in the market, and see at this candle 10:30 candle, which is a bearish candle, right? Which is a bearish candle, which is an the thing here is this is an indication for the bearish view traders have present here. Once I have marked the initial balance high, I have the bearish candle here. So this is the 10:30 candle. So I'm interested to take the trade in Nifty at this breakout candle. I'm waiting to take the trade, and at 10:30 candle, I have got the signal. There are higher chances to the price to fall down to this initial balance flow. So usually I take the trade with one lot, But today I took the trade with usually I take the trade with 2 lots in Nifty, but I have took only 1 lot here because of the reason why there is no pivot resistance in bank. Okay, so just I traded with just 1 lot as per the process. Now, then the price goes into my direction. I took my profits here at this area. At 11.5 candle, I took my profits, which is, let's see, how much I have made on this. See, this is the stop loss, around 15 points stop loss, and the risk reward I have got is 3.92. Actually, it is above 4%. In this volatility, I have got some good amount. It's more than 1:4 basically. That means for every one lot, I risk around 500 rupees. Okay. Even though it is showing that it is showing that the stop is 15.75. I usually give some buffer with more than 20 points the spot chart. Okay, so I risk 500 rupees on every trade, but the reward I have got here is this. The reward here is 2,300 change. Okay, how much? The risk is 500, the reward is 2,300 and change. It is more than 1:4 risk reward, right? It is more than 1:4 risk. So this is how I took the trade in Nifty. Let's go here and check out the profit here. See, this is the 8th December 2023 and I traded in future and options, credited 2,300 rupees. Okay, 2,300 rupees with just 1 lot, and my balance here is 2.5375 lakhs. Yeah, 2,53,000 and change. This may be a small amount for you, but this is the process I am adapting, and let's discuss about it. See, let's go here and mark the range here for 1 week. Okay, from December 1st to December 8th, 2020. See, I have only take 4 trades. Okay, I have only take 4 trades. On first day, I just made 500 rupees. Okay, this is a small amount. Yes, it's a small amount. And next day, I have forced a trade because of the bank nifty expiry. I know the direction, but I have forced the trade with some assumption there is going to be a theta decay. So due to the volatility concept, it took my stop loss and goes in my direction. Then I realized that even though I have some experience, sometimes I'm doing the hasty trades, taking decisions. So I have a stop for trading on that day because my mindset is not so good. Next day, I have entered and took around 1,500 rupees in Nifty itself, which is the expiry trade. And this is the yesterday's trade, which I have taken with just 1 lot. Okay. If I would have taken the trade with 2 lots, I'm going to make around 4,500 above. But I follow the process, the position sizing, the concept, the system to the T, so that I can make money in the long. My approach is not to make money from the markets immediately, but I'm going to stay in the markets in my lifetime for my life. I'm going to be here, so I'm building my foundation. Now let's go here and calculate how much I have made on this week. So on see, this is the amount I have got on December 1st, right? December 1st I have this much amount. No, this 500 is added in here. So on December 1st, my amount is 2.5 lakhs. Now, okay, 2.5 lakhs. On this day, I have 500 around change. It has added to this area. On this day, I have 600 around minus. So below my December 1st area, 2.5 lakhs, slightly down here. Again, I made some profit. Again, I made some profit. So from 2.5 lakhs, how much I have made? See, from 2.5 lakhs, 3,750 rupees around I have made. 3,500 Sorry, 3,750 rupees. 3,750 rupees made on 2.5 lakhs. Okay, and its percentage is this. I have made 1.5% from this, right? Now, making 1.5% is good, but this amount is so small. Let me share my thing here. I'm building the foundation, right? Because last few months I have been a option buyer in the market, but I have seen some things in the market that theta decay is taking my profits. So I plan to move from option buying to option selling. Okay, 1.5 here, right? Option buying to option selling. So I'm making my foundation as an option buyer, and actually my view is I wanted to invest 25 lakhs. Okay, I wanted to invest 25 lakhs, making 1% on that. 1% in the sense how much? 25,000. Okay, see, 25,000, which is 1% in 25 lakhs, on how much amount I am taking? 25 lakhs. Okay, which is going to be this person. Okay, I want to make 1% every single month. So by the end of the month, I'm going to make 1 lakh rupees. This is my analogy or the thing I'm making my foundation. So as per this way, how much I have made? 1.5%, right? 1.5% from 25 lakhs is this, around 37,000. Okay. If I would have invested 25 lakhs, I'm going to make 37,000. If I make any mistake, it is going to affect my overall capital. I know that. So that's why I'm building the foundation here. First, I have traded with 1 lot. Now I am increasing to 2 lots. Okay, if this month, if I would have made some 4%, next month I'm going to increase my position size. That means I'm going to take the trades with 3 or 4 lots. Then 10 lots. This is the view. Okay. Anybody who is watching this video, if even you are having some good amount of money, please don't invest that money at a stretch at the first time. Okay, for example, if you have so much of good amount with you, like 20 lakhs, something like that. If you do that, if there is any wrong thing happen in the market, it will definitely affect your PL, right? So what you have to do is go with the go in the market with just one lot, 2 lots for about 1 month, then increase your position size. So thank you so much for watching my video. And if you have any doubts regarding these trades, you can contact me or ask me in the comment section. I'm happy to help you. And join my Telegram channel if you want to grow your capital, earn money from the markets. And I'm having a course, which is the Day Trading Money Blueprint, where you can learn the concepts of CPR pivot points. And if you want to take that course, you can take the course in the link below, where I have pasted the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video.